Hello everyone, and welcome to a new tutorial on your Electronics Repair Resources Area YouTube channel. This video is for our online new customers and future ones. It offers a reliable, comprehensive, and secure method for utilizing BIOS programmers to extract original dumps from BIOS chips. The programmer featured in this video serves solely as an example and does not imply approval or recommendation of the product. You are encouraged to select any appropriate programmer for your specific needs. However, please avoid using the clap adapter under any circumstances, as it is notorious for its poor performance in reading and writing. We won't delve into its shortcomings in this video. So let's begin. Open your programmer software. Find the main tabs and take your time to grasp the various button functions. If you have any doubts, please consult the software manuals usually available online. In our actual case, we will be using EZP2019 Plus Programmer. Test button here is used to automatically detect the BIOS chip type, manufacturer, name, size, and speed. This information tab is misleading in our case since we actually have a WinBond W25Q64FW BIOS chip model which operates at 1.8 volts. In such instances, the issue typically arises from poor contacts between the BIOS chip and programmer. This could be caused by either the adapter not being securely plugged into the programmer or the BIOS chip pins being dirty with flux. By cleaning the pins and ensuring the adapter is properly adjusted in the programmer, the chip is usually detected correctly. Now that our BIOS chip is accurately detected, let's proceed with reading it. While we can accelerate the video at this point, let's maintain normal playback speed to provide you with an understanding of the programmer's reading speed. Reading completed successfully. Now, let's save the file to a location of your choice. We'll name it dump ERRA1.bin, since we'll be reading the BIOS chip 3 times. For the second read, we'll manually select the chip model by using the Find button. Remember, the search bar in EZP2019 Plus software is case-sensitive, so ensure you use uppercase letters. Select the model W25Q64FW, as detected automatically earlier. Then press the Read button. We will speed up the process to keep the video concise. Again, let's save as before, this time as dump02 bin. Finally, a third reading. This time, we will select W25Q64 without the FW marking. Let's save as dump03 bin. Now we need to compare the files that we have saved so far using any hex software. If our reading was done successfully, all the files should be identical. Upon comparing with WinMerge tool, the files turn out to be all identical. Let's compare with HexCamp. In which you use search, then go to first different. Or use Ctrl plus right keys. You may be wondering, why 3 reading? The answer is simply, because we need to be sure that our reading is correct to avoid losing our original BIOS image forever. And between these reading, it's even better to remove the chip from adapter and put it back for the next reading. To program your BIOS chip, always do it using the Auto button as it performs the necessary steps for the programming process, which are erase, program, and verify. First, let's locate the BIOS image we will be using and put it in our working folder. Use the Open button to choose the BIOS image file. And hit the Auto button. The programmer will perform 3 operations: erase, program, and verify. Programming done successfully. Important thing is that Always pay attention to buffer or code area. The code here shouldn't all be dots or letters F. In such a case, the reading is not correct or the chip is damaged. As an extra precaution, we can read the BIOS chip after programming it. Then save the file and compare it to the file we have used to program. Obviously, they should be identical. Otherwise, your programming is not correct, and you should repeat the programming process. I trust this tutorial clarified the process. Once you've obtained your original BIOS image files, you can send us the dump, and we'll repair or unlock it as per your requirements. The tools used in this video will be available in the description for those wishing to download them. Dear customers, if you're unsure how to proceed with your programmer or haven't yet purchased one, please don't hesitate to contact us using the information provided in the description of all our channel's videos. We'll be more than happy to advise you on which programmer to buy and guide you, step by step, until you've successfully extracted your dump from the BIOS chip. If you found this video helpful, please consider hitting the like button and subscribing if you haven't already. Your comments are also appreciated. Thank you for watching. For now, I wish everyone a good night or a happy day depending on your time zone. See you all in the next video.